Tcharam! Ayan na si crispy lechon. 135 lang. With free nesty na, oh, sizzling chicken. Wow, ito ang totoo. Talagang, buong-buo yung yung lechon, di ba? May fried chicken, tapos dito ay ang all meals at 135, one rice. 70s grill and bricks fried chicken. O, di ba? Very appetizing. Very palatable, as you can say. Palatable means masarap. Ayan o. Mixed buttered and garlic, creamy seafood Cajun with rice. Arte no, kala mo Cajun lang eh. Cajun yan. Mixed buttered. A la carte 100. With free pineapple juice, 120 na. O diba, 20 lang. Tapos beef broccoli with garlic. Guys, teka baka maano na tayo. Ano tayo? Quick fishball. Copyright na naman. Sayang naman to. O yun lang.